Whether traveling to work or school, to visit family or friends, or make a special delivery, everyone deserves a safe and comfortable trip. Bicycle lanes give cyclists their own space. When well designed, they make our roadways safer, not just for cyclists, but also for motorists and pedestrians. Bicycle lanes can be added during transportation planning and designed into construction projects. They can also be retrofitted as part of a maintenance project. It is important to consider several factors to serve riders of all ages and abilities on the roadways in our communities. Local streets with low speeds and minimal traffic are a place where cyclists, pedestrians, and motorists can comfortably travel alongside each other. But many roadways have been built with an emphasis on motor vehicles. On busier, faster corridors, bicyclists need more separation from traffic. When you reduce motor vehicle space along commercial corridors to create bicycle lanes, you can maintain traffic flow and enhance safety. Building separated bike lanes by adding flexible reflector posts, curbs, or vegetation creates space between cyclists and traffic. This can make roads more appealing to a wider range of users. So, cyclists, pedestrians, and motorists can safely travel on every trip. Before you begin your next transportation project, check out the Federal Highway Administration's Bikeway Selection Guide to install a bicycle lane that will improve safety for all.